I'm very excited. This has been an incredible experience being here in Moscow, and for my first win, it's been amazing. I'm so excited. I'm just happy that I performed my best with the circumstances that we had and was rewarded with a victory. It was really very interesting. It took, we had some training the other night, and it took a little while to get used to, for sure. But once you got used to it, it felt like a real sight, which was nice. So you could really just focus on your jumping and stuff. But looking around afterwards, it was a very surreal feeling. It was the most interesting thing I've ever seen on World Cup, for sure. It was amazing.